Alright, that's a 40. One.
Tony, Vanessa now come back.
Ricardo, you like Vanessa?
Yeah, is a nice girl. I like how she look and she stay, you know.
Oh, you like how she look? And you like how she stay? Well, stop look and stay away from her. She a big woman for you, yeah?
No woman not too big for me. Remember the saying, smaller cut down big tree.
Well, carry your axe and go cut down a next tree out the road. And go get ready for training. Hello, young man. Just make sure you wrap up your axe before you chop down any tree out the road, yeah? It's not gonna work. Hey, Vanessa. Yeah, my dad. You alright? Oh, wow. You get 3 patients today? They're on a roll, man. Well, just make sure you not take such, man, yeah? Alright, make sure.
Oh, hi. Hi, Cheryl. What's going on? What? I mean, you don't get paid. The pay should be in your account by now.
Hello? Yeah, man, we're going. I want to tell you, say, me I put together and don't worry yourself, just give me 2 more days. Yeah, man, everything already at them time there. You don't know what to go already, you know what I mean? I know the code.
This is the second month? So why are you just telling me this?
Alright, copy. 1.
Alright. You're sure it's not your bank? Because sometimes, you know, these banks... Okay, alright, relax. Relax, you know I have your back. Just relax. I'll speak to Mr. Swaby about it as soon as possible. And I'll call you back, alright?
Oh boy.
Yeah, man. As soon as I hear you, I will. Okay. Marlon?
Yeah? What on?
Cheryl just called me. Said she don't get no pay. 2 months don't she not get no pay. And I got calls about from 3 other persons this morning saying the same thing. What's happening?
I don't know about that, Maureen. Maybe I them bank system.
The man, you can't just walk with so. And people wonder what you're talking about, you know. These are workers who work very hard for us.
Yeah, but every month them normally get paid on time, so maybe I just a glitch in the system or something just mess up. I don't know.
For 2 months? System glitch for 2 months? No, Marlon. Talk to me, that doesn't sound right.
Just tell them for hold on, man. Them funds will reach them. You know what I mean?
Marlon Swaby, you're too nonchalant. And people money we are dealing with, you know? Make a call or something.
Hold on there. I don't like that tone in their voice, you know, Maureen. Calm down. When I time them. And the workers them I deal with it now.
Alright. Let me clear this up, Mr. Swaby. You are an employee to the company that I own. Okay? So you technically do work for me.
I say it go.
And there is something else I want to talk to you about. I'm looking through some paperwork and there's some discrepancy. Money I pull out of the account and me not know about it. Now employees are telling me say them not get paid. Me not understand. Explain what's going on. You're in charge of that aspect of the business. What's going on?
First of all, for me I deal with that part there, and me them for come to. You know, me them for deal with. And secondly, me a part owner of the business and I work for you.
Really now? So when did I make you a part owner? Because I know say you invest in the business, yeah? That doesn't make you a part owner in my business.
So you did really think that me gonna invest so much money and me not own part of the business?
But man, I've never given you any ownership. Me not sign nothing to say you're a part owner.
You sure about that? You want to check the paperwork?
You mean the paperwork where you have? Eh? Where you keep locked up in one vault and me can't say, no?
All you want to know say your signature depend on the documents and a me I run the business.
Marlon Swaby. You know what I mean? I want to see the paper with the signature on it. No. Really a go on?
See it here.
%51%? You want 51% of my company where me work hard for?
Then know you sign to?
Well, Marlon Swaby, when me sign this? When me never even remember discuss no percent nothing with you. When me sit down and sign this? Come on and read it when?
You know, say them really say woman fool after 6 o'clock or in a full moon. So yeah, tell me say Maureen, I never remember when we did there and we have a nice time and after the nice time, me sit down and reason I sign the papers.